creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near. Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass.
Hello, Queens and Kings. Welcome and welcome in today's video, which, as you all can tell from the title, it is a cleaning video. As you all can see, we pretty much don't forgive Dre in the background. You know, this house here is hectic, but you see this house is hectic, as you all can see. But we basically just doing pretty much the living room and the kitchen, where I'm actually gonna be pretty much cleaning. As you all can see, it's pretty much a live-in home. It is pretty much how Andre pretty much messed it up. Yeah. Including me. I just can't blame him, as well as the whole household. But I just want to give you guys an overview of how the house is looking before I even start doing any type of changes. I know a lot of you Queens and Kings was like, Val, leave it like this. It's pretty, it's elegant, and you know, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. But you know, I got to do some changing. It's just in my nature, and I've been here long enough to be doing some more changes. But anyways, yeah, my shadow. Y'all know Andre to have lost another tooth. Wow. But anyway, we're going to start off here in the entryway where I'm gathering up all my things while I don't start putting stuff everywhere. You see, I got purple in my hands. So, like I said, some changes is on the way. But I got to declutter the entrance area. I'm going to leave the setup like it is now. I'm going to give you guys that. I'm going to leave the setup like it is, but I'm just going to change the colors of it and everything. So, I have been doing some little changes off camera. Not much. Some I'm going to just be actually doing some decorating with you guys, or just bring you a full tour after I have finished decorating it. So a mixture of both, you know, because I know you guys like that, so I don't want to take everything from you all. But here I'm using some Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent all-purpose cleaner. I think that's what it is. Well, I think it's all-purpose, but yeah, this from Christmas. I still have so much cleaning stuff that I'm trying to just go through, because I'm ready to actually do like a makeover or refresh in the laundry room, because honey, yeah, I know it's a catch-all, but yeah, so I'm just gonna wipe this down and get pretty much all the little dust bunnies and everything that I got on here, and just make it all clean and shiny. So, you know, just a little tighten up, because there ain't much going on over here. I'm not gonna be doing any changes in this video. I'm just gonna be cleaning, just like I said. So if you all enjoy cleaning videos, decorate with me, hauls, all things home decor, family vlogs, self-care, you know, a little bit of little razzle dazzle here, a little razzle dazzle there. I do a lot of that over here on Queen Val Living. So if you enjoy content like that, you know, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notification bell that says all, as well as to my old royalties. You guys also please turn on your post notification bell, so therefore you'll be notified for each and every video that I upload, so you don't have to get that little, you know, see it last. You can see it when it boom pop up because of that bell. So yeah, but that's all pretty much what I'm going to do in this video here, where I'm starting off now and starting to clean the kitchen. Yeah, I had to move the ottoman out the kitchen. Don't ask me why I was in here, because Andre pretty much used it to go in the freezer to get freeze pops and stuff like that. Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping things down here in the kitchen. I'm gonna clean these little bit of dishes and put away the dishes that is actually already in the sink that is pretty much clean. I'll put those up, you know, the little razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna stop talking here. I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please share. Please share. Comment down below and subscribe once again if you are new, just stopping by, Queen or King. And I'll talk to you guys pretty soon.
I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know what they do. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us. They don't know you never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back.
All right, queens and kings, pretty much that is gonna be the end of me cleaning my home. He's just a hater in the background. I swear I can't do nothing. But pretty much, like I said, that's gonna be it for this clean with me. As you all see, I did the kitchen as well as the living room. I ain't had to do much in the kitchen. I definitely had to do the living room area, honey. It was just chaos. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. Look at that boy just running around like my house. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as you all see, I didn't get up all the toys, but anyways, that's our living. Ain't it right, babe?
Yeah.
All right then. So with that being said, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the very next video. You all continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tip, but it damn sure won't fall. Bye bye.